Please read the manual carefully before use. Power on or off. Press and hold button 1 for 1.5 seconds to power on. The green light stays on for 2 seconds, then changes to a slow green flash, indicating long battery life mode is active. If the green light stays on for 2 seconds after powering on, then changes to a slow blue flash, it indicates group intercom mode is active. While powered on, press and hold button 1 for 1.5 seconds to power off. The red light stays on for 2 seconds, then turns off. Auto power off. If no Bluetooth device is connected and no group intercom members are connected, the headset will automatically power off after 30 minutes. Phone Bluetooth pairing. Press and hold button 2 for 1.5 seconds. The blue light flashes rapidly, entering Bluetooth pairing mode. Select the headset name from your phone's Bluetooth list to begin pairing. After successful pairing, it returns to the previous mode. A connection successful prompt tone will sound. Press and hold button 2 for 1.5 seconds again. The blue light flashes rapidly, allowing you to pair a second phone. A connection successful prompt tone will sound. If the phone disconnects after a successful connection, a disconnection prompt tone will sound. Action camera Bluetooth pairing. It is recommended to disconnect the headset from other devices when connecting to an action camera, as the action camera occupies the headset's call channel, preventing the headset from controlling Bluetooth signals to other devices. Press and hold button 2 for 1.5 seconds. The blue light flashes rapidly, entering Bluetooth pairing mode. Select the headset name from your action camera's Bluetooth list to begin pairing. After successful pairing, it returns to the previous mode. When connected to an action camera, briefly press button 2 once before starting video recording to switch between recording the entire team's sound and recording your own sound. Note: switching is not possible during video recording also. It is recommended to disconnect the headset from other devices when connected to an action camera, as the action camera occupies the headset's call channel. The headset cannot control Bluetooth signals to other devices. Voice assistant. When connected to a phone, press button 1 twice briefly to activate the phone's voice assistant. This will also mute the intercom audio. The mode will automatically exit after the voice command is recognized and executed. If the device does not support voice assistant mode or it fails to execute for any other reason, briefly press button 1 twice to exit voice assistant mode and return to the previous state. Phone call, answer or deny or end. When there is an incoming call, briefly press button 1 once to answer and start the call. During a call, briefly press button 1 once to end the current call. Press button 1 twice briefly to deny the incoming call. Music playback controls. During music playback, briefly press button 1 once to pause. Press button 1 once briefly again to resume playback. Briefly press button 2 once to select the next track. Briefly press button 3 once to select the previous track. Volume adjustment. First, preset the maximum volume limit on your phone. 80% of total volume is recommended. Then use the headset's rotary volume button to control the volume. Rotate the volume button downward to decrease the volume. Rotate the volume button downward to decrease the volume. Rotate the volume button upward to increase the volume. When the volume is adjusted to maximum, the headset will play a maximum volume prompt tone. KMT mesh intercom. When forming a network, it is recommended to keep a distance of more than 30 centimeters between headsets. All headsets that need to form a new group, press and hold button 3 for 1.5 seconds. The green and blue lights flash alternately, entering the invitee state. On any one of these headsets, press and hold button 3 for 1.5 seconds again. The red and blue lights flash alternately, entering the invitation initiator state, which lasts for 1 minute. Headsets in the invitee state will change to a slow blue flash, indicating successful group formation, as long as the initiating headset is still in its 1-minute invitation state. Other ungrouped headsets can press and hold button 3 for 1.5 seconds to enter the invitee state and join the group. Supports intercom networking for up to 24 people. On any headset already in a group, briefly press buttons 2 and 3 simultaneously once to invite a new member to join the current group. At this time, the red and green lights flash alternately. The invitation state lasts for 1 minute. Within 1 minute, the new member presses and holds button 3 for 1.5 seconds. The green and blue lights flash alternately, entering the invitee state. After successfully joining the group, the headset changes to a slow blue flash. In group mode, if communication distance is exceeded, the headset will disconnect from the group. A disconnected headset will play a disconnection prompt tone once every 30 seconds, for a maximum of 2 times. Mute microphone mode, do not disturb mode, resume intercom mode cycle switching. Press button 3 twice briefly to cycle through. Mute microphone mode, teammates cannot hear you. Do not disturb mode, you cannot hear teammates, and teammates cannot hear you. And resume intercom mode returns to normal intercom mode. Exit intercom, clear group, enter long battery life mode. Press and hold buttons 2 and 3 simultaneously for 1.5 seconds to exit intercom and clear the current group. The headset's green light stays on for 2 seconds, then changes to a slow green flash, entering long battery life mode. Reset settings. Press and hold buttons 2 and 3 simultaneously for 5 seconds. The red light stays on for 2 seconds, then turns off and the headset powers down. After powering on again, it will have been restored to factory settings. Check battery level. Press button 2 twice briefly. The headset will announce the current battery level. Battery level 0-25. Battery level 2550. Battery level 50-75. Battery level 75-100. Low battery alert. A slowly pulsing red light and a low battery prompt tone indicate the battery is low and needs charging. The low battery prompt tone sounds once every 10 minutes. Charging. Open the rubber seal at the bottom of the headset. Use a USB Type-C charging port cable to charge. During charging, the red light stays on constantly. When fully charged, the red light turns off. After charging, please secure the bottom rubber seal to prevent dust or water from entering the charging port. Demonstration completed. Thank you for watching.